This looks good. Even better. Even better. But I think there's something. Oh no. At least everything else is original. Oh, listen to that motor. Whoa, that's bumpy. Sorry for the rustling from my plastic bag. Cab looks like it's been done up as well. Yeah, it has. Those are LED lights. Hello. The original indicator is beautiful, but the G doesn't work. It's a small lift though. Capacity 8 persons, 544 kgs. Yeah, that's not surprising. That's tiny. Oh well, at least we've got this beautiful original core fixture to look at. Express. Take your time. There it goes. That's it.